Welcome to Fix Your Apps. In this video, we will show you how to delete recently watched video on YouTube, step by step. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the YouTube app on your Android phone. You can usually find this app on your home screen or in the app drawer. Step 2. Next, look for your profile icon at the bottom right corner and click on it to proceed. Step 3. In the account menu, locate the history option on the screen and tap on it to open the menu. Step 4. Once you're in the history menu, until you find the three dots icon on the screen, click on it. Step 5. From the menu, you'll see the Remove from Watch History option on the screen. Step 6. To delete the recently watched video, simply tap on the Remove from Watch History option on the screen. And that's it. You've successfully deleted recently watched video on YouTube. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.